guys, it's Ashley from Editor Reviews, and today we're unboxing Spice Freeze. You guys know this one. I've unboxed this a billion times. It's a Spice subscription. They do have a bunch of different options, and their subscription has changed. So, they come out now with a menu for the month, and you'll get like an email that tells you what it is, and then you can go in and you can pick. If you subscribe to the quad, which is the 4 recipe kits, you can pick 2 of your recipe kits. So 2 will be a surprise, and then the other 2 will be ones that you select, which is really, really cool. I love that idea. So you do still get the mystery, but you also get to choose some things that maybe you like more. So that only applies to the quad, though, the $11.85 a month. 2 to 4 countries in the recipe kits will be included. They do also have and that basically is what they say is the duo box plus 2 recipe kits, because it's those 2 recipes that come in that quad that you didn't select are the 2 recipes that came in the duo box for the month. So that's 2 kits from 2 different countries, and that's $5.90 a month. So I hope that you understand. I hope I did explain that well enough. I was concerned that I wouldn't. I love these. The recipes I've made with these are really, really good. They do range in difficulty level, which I like. I noticed that with a lot of Spice subscriptions. Like, they do give you a good broad, like maybe you're not that good, maybe you need some help. But there's something for everyone. And they have changed like the style. It looks really pretty. It's like all glossy. So this is the May kit. And then there are 4 recipes. And then our spices. I love it. I love looking at them. They're so beautiful. They're just so beautiful. All right, so first we have Badrajani, a Georgian culinary spice kit. Let's see here what's. So does that only have 1 spice? Yeah, it only has 1 spice. And you use about half of the pouch per dish, and that includes. And I always make one of these in the full review, so if you want to see one to completion, check that out. It should be interesting. All right, so in this spice kit, coriander, fenugreek, marigold, hyssop, paprika, mint, black pepper, turmeric, savory, methi, basil, cinnamon, and cloves. Our second recipe is vaca frita. So this is a Cuban recipe. So let's see here. Vaca frita right here. And then this one here is also vaca frita. So these are our 2 spices for that one. And this includes, the first is cumin, orange peel, and oregano. The second is chipotle pepper and ancho pepper. All right, so then we have shichimi shrimps. This is Japanese. That sounds fun. I might actually make that one. So that has this first packet here. Can you see that? And then it also has this one, which is a hot pepper. Oh, and this one too. So this has 3 and 2 are spicy. So this includes, in the first packet, orange peel, white and black sesame seeds, chili pepper, poppy seeds, paprika, and ginger. The second packet is Sichuan pepper, not recommended during pregnancy. They do always put that in. And then the third is cayenne pepper. Our 4th recipe is fajitas. This is obviously a Mexican recipe. So we have our fajita spice here and our fajita spice here. So this is spice. Like pepper, I should say, not spice. The first packet is smoked paprika, cumin, white pepper, and oregano. The second is jalapeno pepper. I don't know which one I'm going to make yet. I'm going to have to see. I'm going to have to look. I always deliberate and I wonder. It has to do with what I have on hand at home, how much I have to like go out and buy. But it also has to do with like what looks the best. So, and what also, for me, with 4 children, what my children will eat. Which they're not that picky. My kids aren't that picky. So if you're interested in the full review, I'll link to that below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.